Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So in this video I want to talk about do-it-yourself security camera systems. Now you got two kinds out there, one that needs a hub and one that doesn't even need a hub. And I want to talk about the difference in those and the benefits and disadvantage. So like I said, there's two kinds of security camera systems. You got the hub kind, and then you got one that just runs directly on the Wi-Fi. So why would you choose the one with a hub versus the one that's independent, or vice versa? So if you go with the cameras like the Arlo system that uses a hub, they send the information back to the hub, and that's how you're able to pick it up through the cloud, because the hub is what's connected to your internet. The good thing about a hub is the fact that it uses wireless and wired, and a wired connection is always better because you get that continuous connection. Now the advantage for a system like that is the hub is the one that's talking to the cameras. So as long as they're in range of the hub, they're going to stay constantly connected. The disadvantage of that is if your hub goes down, then the whole camera system is down. If you have a system like the Ring system now, each one of those cameras individually connect to the Wi-Fi. So one camera can go down, but the others will still work as long as they have connection to the Wi-Fi. The disadvantage to that system though is how strong is your Wi-Fi signal? Do you have your router in the middle of the house where it can pick up all the cameras, especially if they're outside? So that system really depends on your Wi-Fi strength. So you have to have a good router that can boost that signal out so all the cameras can receive that Wi-Fi signal. So that's the advantage and disadvantage about those two systems. Now you might ask me which one is the best system. Is it better to get the one that's Wi-Fi connected or the one that's hub connected? Really and truly, you can't go wrong either way. It all depends on how your place is set up. If you got a strong Wi-Fi signal, say you have the Orbit system, then you can go with the Ring system if you choose to go that route. But if you decide to go with the Arlo cameras, like I said, those connect to the hub. So they don't have to worry about Wi-Fi signal. The only connection they need is to the hub, and based on the distance of where the hub is, as long as they can communicate back to the hub, then you're good to go. And there's other manufacturers out there that make these kind of security cameras. Ring and Arlo seems to be the popular ones on the market, but there's other systems out there too. But basically they all work in the same manner. You got hub connected security cameras, and then you got Wi-Fi security cameras. So the next deciding factor on which direction you go is going to be based on the service plan. Most of these do-it-yourself security camera systems come with some type of service plan, which you can pay monthly or you can pay yearly. So depending on the cost, that can help be a deciding factor of which kind of system you want to get. So to sum it up, these are going to be the deciding factor for which do-it-yourself security cameras you're going to go with. The first thing is going to be based on the Wi-Fi strength. If you can pick up your Wi-Fi signal on your phone or your tablet from outside the front door, the back door, and maybe the side of the house, then you can put up Wi-Fi cameras. If not, you would have to go with the system that's connected to the hub, because the hub is going to connect to the cameras and the hub is going to connect to the internet. And the number two factor is going to be based on how much a month you want to pay for this cloud service as far as storing the data from the camera. So even if you can pick up a good Wi-Fi signal outside, but the cost to run those cameras on the Wi-Fi system is more than the one you want to do with a hub, then you can go either way. So that's how you're going to determine which system you go with. Now there's one more thing I want to mention, and that's how the cameras are powered. You got cameras that's totally wireless. That means they're running batteries. You got outside cameras you can install with a solar panel to keep the camera charged at all times. And then you have the wired kind, but you have to run that electric power somehow to the camera, whether it's inside or outside. If you want to go with just the battery outside, I would use the solar panels to go along with it. If not, if it's on the inside, you can easily pull those down and charge them up, or have spare batteries where you can just swap them out whenever the ones that's in your home depleted. And even outside too. So you have the choice to go with the wired kind that's plugged into a power source constantly, or you can go with the batteries. So that's a preference of your choice. Okay, so I hope I've given you enough information to make that choice of which system you want to go with. The most popular system on the market right now is the Arlo system, and you got the Ring systems. There's other systems out there right now, but those are one of the top two popular system out there. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything I've said in this video, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I will answer those questions to the best of my reliability. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.